Politics and bureaucracy affect everything we make. From advancements in medicine or arts, the government controls everything, even in our so called free nation.
One example of this is the debate over stem cells. Currently, when a patient needs an organ, such as a heart or liver, because of disease or malfunction, they get put on a transplant list. Their condition determines where their position is on this waiting list. Oftentimes, patients end up dying waiting for a transplant. Other times, patients do get transplants, but their own body rejects the transplanted organ because it thinks it is foreign. According to the article titled The Competition for World Views, Values, Information, and Public Support for Stem Cell Research, human embryonic cells can be used to develop any type of organ needed. Stem cells are cells that are not differentiated or specialized, so they can be manipulated into specializing in anything. At conception, we are made of stem cells. The body will not reject this organ because it can be made by the patient's own stem cells. In order to test these stem cells out, scientists used embryonic stem cells, or stem cells from unborn children. People claim that researchers created zygotes solely for the purpose of taking their stem cells. Women were paid money to donate their eggs. Although researchers made a life-saving breakthrough, many feel that the path to this conclusion was unethical. Others feel that creating new organs from scratch allows us to play the role of God. They feel that we have crossed a line between science and religion. Surprisingly, public opinion has not been in favor of stem cell research, although most of the nation is not extremely religious and believes in separation of church and state. Scientists feel that they are bettering the lives of humans who are actually alive today, and they feel that this is the next step in modern medicine. These arguments create the stem cell research debate. The debate caused the UN to limit stem cell research in many countries. Politics placed a halt on scientific advancement.
The President is given power by the Constitution and the laws of the United States of America to make executive decisions. In light of this, President Barack Obama ordered to revoke barriers to responsible scientific research involving human stem cells. The purpose of this order is to remove limitations on scientific inquiry, and in doing so, to enhance the contribution of America's scientists to important new discoveries and new therapies for the benefit of humankind. The President is able to set the tone so agencies can conduct responsible, scientifically worthy human stem cell research. In addition, Obama provided guidance by establishing appropriate safeguards and issued new guidance to the National Institutes of Health so that the research is consistent with this order and can be reviewed and updated. The President was able to impact the use of technology by revoking the previous presidential statement of August 9, 2001, which limited federal funding involving human embryonic stem cells. With this, such authority enables the chief officer of the U.S. to decide whether a piece of legislation can continue to act as a statement of governmental policy. The Children's Hospital in Boston created a new virtual stem cell lab in order to show people how stem cells work. It is a stimulation of a real lab so that people who are not sure about stem cell technology can become more knowledgeable. This application allows people to learn with the use of modern technology. It reacts the same way stem cells react in petri dishes in the lab. These types of applications are important in order for people to form better opinions on topics they can be knowledgeable about.
It is also kid-friendly and does not require an extensive knowledge of biology to use. Hence, it caters to a large population. Children who grow up understanding the benefits of stem cell research will be more likely to support it in the future as adults. This breaks the cycle of political influence adversely affecting scientific exploration in the field of stem cell research.